live right there. Everyone lived on this street. What it was, Dan Gramley's friends lived on this street. Kevin Terrell and this other guy, Steve something.
Where was Richie's house?
Up here. I don't know if I'll recognize it. That's the thing. I don't know the address. Yep. Holly lived next door.
Wasn't there like a garage or something?
It's either, 2016.
That was it?
Yeah.
Wow. You want to pass by Lamer since we're right here?
Yeah, we're right on the block. So me and Jason used to go around that block because I wasn't allowed in the street.
So you just go around the block?
Yeah, we just. At first, when we moved here, she said I couldn't leave the street. Jason was like, "You're what?" He was like, "Just do it." I'm like, "I'll get in trouble." But then we started just going around the block. And these people over here, I think it was these people, and one of these houses had an apricot tree. And every time we'd ride by, we'd pick them and eat them while we were riding.
That
It was probably those people. The wall. the wall.
Does Sharon still live there?
I think so. No fence. Wow. It's a sound wall on the freeway.
They used to have a fence.
Yeah. And then they had a fence right here, and then they had a wall. So we would always sit on the wall, and this is where Richie would pass by and we'd make fun of him.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah. Dan Wade's house.
Should take a picture for him.
Yeah. I think he still comes here. This is Lamer house.
This one?
Yeah, the front one.
See, we lived on Elm Street, and we lived in like a back one.
Joe McConey's house, and I think he still lives there.
Yeah. Want to go knock?
No. And then, Dean Karch. I want to say it was like one of these ones. It could have been up here because they're all the same. Kim Bubba lived in one of these ones.
Wow.
And somebody else lived up here.
Wouldn't it be great to have just a picture of you all together as little,
yeah.
scrappy little kids? Oh my gosh.
We really didn't play with each other. Carrie McPhail lived up here. And then somebody else lived up here. There was two people that lived here. Did you want to go that way at all?
That's up to you. I passed by John Paquitas' house last time because I wanted to see what it looked like. I don't remember the number though, but it was like a 2-story. And then like Meyer Street, is that this way?
Yes, that's where we're going.
Or no, Keystone. Yeah, he lived on Meyer. Keystone, he just didn't like to go on that street because that's where Keith Pusel lived and his dad was a cop.
Mm-hmm.
So he was like, no, we're not going that way. I never knew that guy, but he always talked about him. Like, his dad's a cop.
I grew up with Keith. Oh my gosh, look what they did to this place.
Wow.
You guys ruined it. Oh my gosh, people. Killing it. Somebody lived here. Some girl. Mike Kemp lived over here.
It's trippy. Did you see that lawn? It's trippy. One of these houses was abandoned and we used to go in there.
Like that house.
That house right there with the red roof, that was John Paquitas' house.
Yeah.
And when I first started growing out with him, we would climb over the wall and climb up into that top story.
Mm-hmm.
And then one day when we were still going out, we were wondering where he was. So we were with Dean, I think, Dean Karch. And we were in a car. And we were looking all over for him. He was taking another girl.
Wow.
And oh my gosh,
Mike
I
Bailey
lost it.
lived in one of these houses. Yeah, when this house was, that was still somewhat new. Not the house, but the second part. And I thought there was a flat part where you could walk out onto the roof.
There might have been. That whole upstairs was just, the whole house was so jacked up. It'd be interesting to see what people did with it.
It was a mess.
It was a
and
mess.
Then the DeWalds lived up here. I'm not sure which house.
And then didn't Liz live right around here?
Liz Toth lived in one of these ones up here too. It was the DeWalds were first, and then Liz Toth lived up here. But I'm not sure which houses are which.
Yeah.
It's such a long time ago. Ooh, look at that Honda.
Oh, nice.
Wow.